This video is brought to you by the joint account. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel and let's move ahead. We left our Airbnb in Dunedin and proceeded ahead to Baldwin Street as the first spot. So this holds the Guinness World Record for the steepest street with a 38-degree incline. You can walk upwards and have a closer view of Dunedin city. Then we proceeded ahead to the Chinese garden, which was about 10 minutes away from that location. And from there onwards, we started our journey further into the Otago Peninsula. So we passed the harbour and proceeded ahead to Otago Peninsula, where we came across the Anderson's Bay. We went through the Portobello Road, which is a beautiful road. You can see that there are water bodies around the road itself. So this is the Anderson's Bay. You can see how beautiful this is. We passed through some residential areas, through all the roads, and after some distance we were supposed to reach the Larnach Castle. But on our way to Larnach Castle, we stopped around in few places. The first being the Highcliffe Road, which you can see the layout of the city, the mountains, the lake. After soaking it all in, we then again proceeded towards our original journey. After driving quite a distance through the residential areas, through the long roads, the beautifully designed scenic roads, we finally reached our destination, the Larnach Castle. The entry fees to the Larnach Castle is about 200 New Zealand dollars, and you can see a good view of the castle. From the castle, our intention was to visit Portobello village, and we proceeded towards that. On our way back, we stopped at a lot of places to take some photos, take some videos. It's really beautifully designed roads which are very scenic to drive by. After a few minutes of driving, we finally could see the Portobello village. Our intention was to view some seals over here, but the road here was completely gravel road, so it's a little bit difficult to go by. We came soon from that and went towards our next destination. So on our way back, we came across this land-based pudding island, and you can see this beautiful bus stop. Took some photos, and then again passing the Anderson's Bay, we started going towards Te Anau. Before Te Anau, our plan is to visit the Nugget Lighthouse viewpoint, which is a very beautiful place, is what we have heard. Let's go towards that and see what is in store for us. Meanwhile, during the drive, you will find a lot of cattle, sheep, which are there just besides the road, the farmlands. So those roads are really very beautiful, guys. It is one of the world's most scenic road drives. This is the area which is going into the lighthouse. We are 300 meters into the area. So guys, we are going to the Nugget Lighthouse viewpoint. So it was about a half an hour, 40 minutes drive from Dunedin, and here we are. So there are two viewpoints. One is a clifftop viewpoint, another is a lighthouse viewpoint. The clifftop one is like about 150 meters from the car parking area, and the lighthouse, it says that it's a 900 meter a short hike that you saw. Let's go to the lighthouse and find out how exactly it is better than the cliff. Lighthouse, the view is visible from here. Let's go nearby. You'll just be mesmerized by the color of the water, the rock formations. The lighthouse hike itself is very pleasant. Those rock formations are beautiful to see at, and sometimes you can spot some seals also. So on our way back, we came across this beautiful beach named as Kaka's Point. We spent about 15-20 minutes at this place, wandered around, took some photos.
Actually, we are heading towards the place called Te Anau. That is still 174 kilometers away from here, and it will take around 1 hour 58 minutes.
How has been your driving experience?
It is so nice. Everybody is actually following the driving rules. Roads are so good, and everything is marked so properly. So you
that's
don't have to
true.
worry at all. You can drive so smoothly.
So we were about to reach Te Anau, and you can see like deers are being reared by people, and finally we reached our Airbnb. So let's give you a view of the Airbnb. So this is the balcony area where you can sit. There's a barbecue machine. Then you enter into the living room, large TV. The kitchen is right there. Then besides is the dining room, and there is a beautiful view. You can see the fireplace. We will use this in the night. There is a small bedroom just in the ground floor. On the top floor there are 3 bedrooms, which are huge, and we 4 people. It was just a big house to deal with. We roamed around, we saw what was there because it was about to be night. It was about 8:30 p.m. You can see still, like, since it's summers, the light is already there. It will become dark at 9:30, and we will rest, and tomorrow we'll start our journey towards Milford Sound. So if you like this video, like and share this video and subscribe to the channel for more such videos.